Take a look at this expression. We have a seemingly simple question. 2 plus 2 divided by 2 times open parenthesis 2 plus 2 close parenthesis. But here's the interesting part. Many people arrive at the wrong answer because they don't follow the order of operations. Before we find the correct answer, let's examine two common wrong methods. In the first wrong method, the person does the addition first. That is, they say, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Then they divide 4 by 2, which gives 2. Then they solve the expression inside the parentheses, 2 plus 2 equals 4. And finally, 2 times 4 equals 8. So the answer from this method is 8. But this answer is wrong. Why? Because in mathematics, we can't simply perform operations from left to right or based on our own preference. There is a specific order for performing operations. Now let's look at another mistake. In this method, the person does the division first. 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then they solve the parentheses, 2 plus 2 equals 4, and finally 3 times 4 equals 12. So this method leads us to 12. But this answer is also wrong. So the main question is, what rule determines which operation we should perform first? The rule that comes to our aid here is the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is a simple way to remember the order of mathematical operations. The letter P stands for parentheses. The letter E stands for exponents. The letters M and D stand for multiplication and division. And finally, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So in short, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Now let's solve the question precisely and according to PEMDAS. Our expression is 2 plus 2 divided by 2 times open parenthesis 2 plus 2 close parenthesis. According to the PEMDAS rule, we must first solve inside the parentheses. 2 plus 2 equals 4, and the expression becomes 2 plus 2 divided by 2 times 4. Now it's the turn of multiplication and division, which we do from left to right. 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and 1 times 4 equals 4, and finally 2 plus 4 equals 6.